Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Capitec Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in capitecbank.co.za and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Capitec Bank. Now, right on the home page, you will be able to see an option which says Open an Account. So just go ahead and click on it, and you will be taken to the account creation page. Now, just scroll down, and you will be able to find the Open an Account button. Just click on it, and you will be shown the steps, to create a new account. All you need to do is download the Capitec app from your smartphone, and then type in your SAID number. Then you will need to verify your identity, and finally you can enter your credentials to create your account. You can also switch to a Capitec account from an existing account from another bank by simply clicking on Switch to Capitec, which is the blue button at the top right corner. And now you can simply click on Switch your debit orders to switch from your existing bank account to Capitec. From the next page, just go ahead and enter your title, your first and your last name, followed by your ID or your passport number. Then enter your email address and your cell phone number, and then you can upload your existing bank statement to proceed with creating your account. Finally, you can choose a time for which you would prefer the bank to call you, and when you click on the submit button, you will be soon contacted by Capitec for opening up your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to open up a new account on Capitec. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.